This is Port Canaveral, and we have come in for the morning along with just about every other Carnival ship. And as you can see, that makes the port very full. And it's not only Carnival, it's about 3 or 4 other ship companies. And this is only Port A. And there's all kinds of different ports for ships to arrive at. But I thought you would like to see how many ships actually come into dock. On departure day, you get up early. You do not take a shower because we're going to either be hot standing out waiting for our van to come, or we're going to get rained on standing out waiting for their van to come. So we found it was more advantageous just wait till we get back to the motel room and get our shower there. We will go down and have a nice breakfast. They serve breakfast from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. And then you have to leave so they can get ready for cleaning up and the evening meal with the new group of people. But you're leaving the ship with a full tummy, and you're not going to have to go to McDonald's and get something for breakfast. We are back on land for 2 days, and then we set off for our third cruise, which was supposed to be to Cuba. And we would have spent 3 days in Cuba, and 1 day getting there and 1 day getting back. But President Trump canceled all visits to Cuba. And so we're doing this trip instead. When we take a cruise out of Port Canaveral, we always stay at the Days Inn in Cocoa. The reason is that the charge for the room is $140 a night. And while that's not terrible, it's not wonderful, but that includes them taking us to and from the port with our luggage, and also that we can leave our cars there for no charge. Makes it a much better deal, since the port in Canaveral will charge you $20 a day just to store your car. Once again, we stop at our favorite place to eat when we're in Cocoa. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.